I'm Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to break down the Rockettes' Jingle Bells. Let's get to it. Alright, so the Radio City Music Hall Christmas Spectacular starring the Rockettes is full of holiday classic numbers. Some tap, some dance. The Rockettes always pull out like online different tutorials, some tap, some dance, some from their Christmas Spectacular. And what I have actually done is I have pulled from some of their tutorials different tap steps, some kickline stuff, and I have actually woven them together or edited them together, some of those, and put it together for this little combination. So maybe it's like Rockette inspired with some of their choreography and put it to Jingle Bells. If you have never seen the Christmas Spectacular, if you're in New York at the holiday season, I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite shows. It truly is spectacular. So keep the Rockettes in mind when you do this combination. It is very much in their style. It's very up, it's very showy. Let's get to it. So starting with paradiddles, this is a paradiddle combination on your right. So it's paradiddle, 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 ball change, paradiddle, paradiddle, step, and kick. Repeats on the left, paradiddle, 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 ball change, paradiddle, paradiddle, step, and kick. Then we're going to do two Broadways or Alexanders or Shirley Temples, whatever you call them. So to the right and to the left. And then if you're missing any of these steps, I have most of them on my tap playlist. Then we're going to do 4 running flaps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do 2 more Broadways to finish that out. Okay. So 2 words. This is just a little variation of Jingle Bells. You're going to spell out Jingle Bells. So it's I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. I love those Jingle bells. Okay, so, and the hands are here. All right, so once again, I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. I love those Jingle bells. All right. Sorry, thought I missed a little step there. All right, so on the Broadways, your hands come around like in circles, and then on the flaps, you're just going to move your shoulders up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again circle on the Broadways. Now, you're going to do a little kick combination for the next portion. Starting on your right, you're going to do kick, kick, and this is called a passe kick. So it's just coming up. You're just going to bring that knee up. So it's 1, 2, point those toes, 3 and 4, switch, and that's a little bent knee in the back, switch, flick, kick. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and hands are just here. So that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that's jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All right, now we're going to do 2 steps forward. Oh, what fun it is to ride. All right, then you're going to rock back, brush in a 1-horse open sleigh. So that's just a step back, shuffle, hop, step, step. In a 1 open sleigh. Hey! Then you're going to do shuffle hop steps. Jingle bells, jingle bells. So that's shuffle hop, step, 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 shuffle hop, step, step, step. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Okay, then you're going to do these little like catwalks where you're going to twist, running out of room. So it's done, 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 done. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you just did jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. And then you're going to scuff, open those arms. Oh, what fun. Step back, toe. Oh, what fun it is to ride. And we're going to do a pivot, which you're going to step and then turn to your left, step again, and pose. And that comes to a rocket bevel, which you're going to put that toe and that knee, hand on hip, and flick that arm up. Shoulder back, very, boom. Okay? So that's, oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Boom. Okay, that is the combination. So, from the beginning, it's I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle. Sorry, let me start over. I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. I love those Jingle bells. Kick combination. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Steps forward. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Rock back in one horse open sleigh. Hey, shuffle steps. Jingle bells, jingle bells, twist, jingle all the way. Pivot. Oh, what fun. Oh, sorry, scuff. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Pivot in one horse open sleigh. Sorry, it's hard to say things and dance at the same time. All right, let me just do the whole combination for you, and you can just follow along. And hopefully I won't lose track at the beginning like I just did. All right, here we go. I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. Oh, I love those Jingle bells. I love those Jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey. All right, there you go. Hope you liked that. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Have a happy holiday, and I'll see you in my next.